Okay, your kitchen is a very good source of electricity, vampires. There are a lot of pieces of equipment in here that will draw. You can hear my EMF meter going off as I walk into the kitchen. The closer I get to the fridge, I get a lot more juice. Okay. Dishwasher, same thing. Okay, and these bad boys, your coffee makers. Just the regular old coffee makers. Yeah. They're all drawing juice. Some of them incredible amounts of power being generated around them. So these are what we call vampires. So what you do is I've hooked up a power strip to the frequently used appliances, and all I do is when I'm not using them, shut them off. Now, as you can tell, the fields have all dropped. That one's gone down. This one's gone down. They're still going to have a little bit of juice inside the capacitors inside of them, but as the capacitors discharge, you're going to find a lot less drain. So yeah, that's just two appliances. Your toaster is another big one. Your toaster can be a monster source of absorption for power. So turn it on, and this is what I get. Anywhere around the power supply. Okay. And then I shut it off with this isolation switch that I've got grounded on-off switches on plugs. There, turn it off. Eliminates the power draw. It's not sitting with a bunch of juice inside of it, and it seems to have alleviated much of the field around the toaster as well. So, again, these can be added to just about every electronic component you have around your house. Something to think about. Okay, I'm standing in front of our entertainment center. We have a power bar, television, TELUS has got a box set up for us. We have more components down at the bottom, our power bar set up. All the electronics are set up on this as well. Now, what I've done is I've put, again, another power strip. Runs my whole TV, everything, okay? This little box has a magnet inside of it. This is a speaker, subwoofer, wireless subwoofer. Okay, it is also charge capacitors. I'm sure there's transformers, so on and so forth. TELUS box, same thing. TELUS is off. Speaker is off. Television is off. Okay. Now, when I flash up, I bring everything online. I hit my power switch down on the power strip. There we go. You heard it. Everything started flashing up and coming to life again. Okay, so speakers flashed up. TELUS box is charging. Coming up to speed. Power bar. Coming up to speed. Television. Yeah, figured. Everything's up to speed. Okay, so again, like I says, if you're not using it, why are you charging your house? This is all this is doing, is setting up a field around your place. So again, if you don't need it, don't leave it on. Get rid of some of the static in your house.